How can I track how many of my subscribers shared my content on social media? When sending newsletters or email marketing campaigns to your subscribers, LISTSERV Maestro allows you to post your messages on your own social media channels at the time of delivery. You can also embed social media sharing icons in your messages, which allow your subscribers to share your content through their own social networks. All of these shares and any new subscribers that you get can be tracked. To access your social media metrics, open the main menu and click on Mail Jobs. Then select the job of interest from the list of completed jobs. You will notice a number of tabs with details about the mailing. The Overview Report tab shows the main open up and click metrics, and the Clicks Report tab shows detailed information about the links that were clicked. To get a first impression of the success of your viral marketing activities and to see how often your subscribers shared your message, click on Publishing Report. Here you will see two tables. The Immediate Audience table describes the people that you have directly communicated with, either by having them on your subscriber list or by reaching them by actively publishing your content on your own social media channels. In this example, 75 of your subscribers viewed your message through email, 40 people viewed your content on Twitter, 35 did so on Facebook, and 8 on LinkedIn, for a total of 158 message views. The Audience via Sharing table shows the number of times your message was shared on each platform. For email, this is the number of email addresses that the message has been forwarded to. For the other social media platforms, this is the number of clicks on the specific share link or icon. The message views shows the total number of times your message has been viewed on each platform as a result of any shares. You will also see how many new subscribers you attracted and from what platform. To see how far your subscriber sharing activity has reached, click on the Sharing Report tab. With social media sharing, a person can be either directly subscribed to your email list or someone who has received the message indirectly because it was shared by another person, who in turn may have also received the message indirectly from someone else. The pie charts on the left show overview counts for the total number of message views, the number of times the share icons were clicked, and on which social media channels. You will also see how many new subscribers you were able to attract as a result of the sharing activity and from which social media channels. The Viral Reach chart focuses on sharing levels. Level 0 is your original publishing activity, and each higher level means that a person on the previous level shared the message with someone else. For each sharing level, this report includes 3 stacked bars. The first shows the number of message views. The second shows the number of sharing clicks, which can lead to message views on the next level. And the third shows the number of new subscribers that you attracted on each level. As you can see, this type of viral marketing activity can increase the reach of your messages dramatically beyond your original audience. You will also be able to identify which social media channels have the highest impact in growing your audience and attracting new subscribers. Thank you for watching.